Hey chai lovers, it's Upma here from Chaiwali. So I'm about to make some of our delicious sticky chai, but I'm going to make it now using our coffee machine. This is just our home coffee machine. You'll probably never see me using it other than to make sticky chai. We're going to use one function of it. You can also use a milk frother if you've got just a small milk frother at home to make it as well. But I'm going to be showing you this on a coffee machine. And there we have it, home style cafe chai latte. So if you want it a little bit more frothy though, like the cafe style, you can add the sticky chai to the hot water separately and froth the milk up separately and add it to the water so that you have that creaminess and that frothiness as well.